Hello, curiosity catalysts, my dearest friends. Thank you very much for being with us in our journey. Friends, what's the inner spark that we are going to ignite today and level up to self-mastery? Dhritimaan's dream? Friends, today we are going to deep dive into this mind-bending truth from the cosmic legend Carl Sagan. He said back in the 1990s, our life is exquisitely dependent on science and technology, in which hardly anyone understands anything about science and technology. Phew, boom. Doesn't it hit like a meteor? This irony of irony that we are surrounded by science and technology, more so in 2026, where AI is running our fields. Electric vehicles are whizzing on the streets, and yet we don't get it, how it works, where they come from. This, Sagan says, is alarming. He says this is a wake-up call, this darkness in the world about science and technology. A perfect recipe for chaos. Picture this, friends. Why does Carl Sagan say so? Our smartphone, our 24/7 companion, a quantum marvel, chips running electron tunneling, the GPS syncs with satellites orbiting at relativistic speeds. Tap the phone, tap the GPS, and they work. Yet we don't get it. Most don't get it. How it works. What is the ethics behind it? What is the purpose behind it? What is the economics behind it? We don't get it, friends. And that is why Sagan says this state of mind is a prescription for disaster. And when we see that happening, how vulnerable we have become because of this darkness. We have become vulnerable, isn't it, friends, to scammers peddling pseudoscience, climate deniers forgetting glacial melting, AI deepfakes swaying elections, and so many other scams that we are bombarded with. Because we are indifferent, because we think that science is just an elite club. We don't take it as a tool for critical thinking. How do we flip the script, friends? Start small, master big. Pick up one tech at a time and try to decode it. Question everything of science and technology around you. Why does the fridge cool? How do EV batteries store energy? And once you decode it, friends, you will find that science is not a PhD degree. It's empowerment, even to those who are laymen. Science, curiosity about science builds resilience. And as a result, there is a curiosity, and curiosity transforms dependence into dominance. So, friend, try to master the tech around you. Secondly, more importantly, grab books on science and technology. For example, grab Carl Sagan's Bellini detection kit, a toolkit of 9 tools to bolster critical thinking. Grab his book, the demon of the haunted world. Science as a candle in the dark. You will understand the power behind science and technology, the knowledge of it. And with this, you will render yourself less vulnerable. You will live more sustainably. You will vote more wisely. You will have a better climate. The AI, the technology will be ethical. And you will be the master of science and technology. You will not be doing a catch-up with the world. The world will bow to your requirements, bow to your needs, bow to your philosophy. Thank you, friends. Hope you will like this discussion. We will come up with many more such inner sparks tonight. Stay well. Bye-bye. See you soon.